palalong iaangat yung horse racing, yung earnings, even yung mga talagang regular na taga-subaybay nito, paano sila matutulungan with these developments?
Yeah, thank you very much, Judith, for a very good, nice question. Actually, we observe, and it is on our data, that the horse price, local horse price in regular races increased dramatically from 120,000 in 2020 to 320,000 average this year. So almost 300% na increase. So lumaki na yung premyo ng mga horse owners, lumaki na yung kita ng mga jockey, lumaki na yung kita ng mga trainers, ng mga nag-aalaga ng kabayo. So marami na nag-a-apply ng mga investors. At lumaki na rin po yung aming contribution sa gobyerno. This year, actually last year, almost 1 billion na yung contribution namin sa tax, sales tax alone. No? This year, we expect more than 1 billion again for our contribution to the government funds. So it will continue, actually, based on trends, it will continue based on our forecast. Siguro in 2 to 3 years' time, we can have at least 1.8 billion contribution to the government. Sales tax alone. Sales tax alone yan. Wala pa yung mga personal tax ng mga investors.
Okay. Si Sir Rodney, Rondi, kamusta naman po yung Metro Manila Turf Club Racing? Di ba as of now, ito lang po talaga yung the only one racing track or club active?
Yes, ma'am. MMTCI started 2013. So when we started, there were still 3 racing clubs before, MJCI and PRCI. And later part of 2022, it was only MMTCI today. You know? And then hopefully we're going to be having another race track in Padre Garcia sometime towards the end of this year. But during those times, maganda ho yung spread ng calendar of races given by Pinracom and yung support ng public and support ng industry as a whole. Horse owners are breeding horses and importing horses right now.
Ito po yung nasa Malbar, tama ba?
Yeah, Malbar.
Okay, yes, questions? Okay, Rito Red.
Good morning. So Rodi, ilan na po yung mga confirmed na entries ngayon sa Prince Cup at sa Kings Cup? Kasi nababasa namin paiba-iba yung mga nanalo sa 3 years old at sa 4 years old. Tapos ngayon meron pa kayong influx ng mga bagong kabayo. Ilan na po yung kasali dun sa dalawang karera natin?
The declarations of entries for the first leg of Kings and Prince Cup will be on July 13. That will be
Sunday.
next week.
Yes.
Until Sunday, this coming Sunday. So this coming Sunday para namin malalaman yung declaration. Pero we expect around 8 to 10 entries for each category.
Yung 8 to 10 entries na po yun na po yung tatakbo pa dun sa dalawang leg or pwedeng maiba?
Pwede matagdagan. Depende dun sa preparations ng mga kabayo. Pwede matagdagan.
Meron ba tayong mga bet na kung sino yung pwede namin tayaan? Sa 3 years old at saka sa 4 years old?
Actually, to be honest, horse racing is a game of house and thrills, tinatawag nila. Because it is a combination of a 500 kilo horse ridden by a 52 kilos jockey. So that's the only sport that have this kind of partnership. Maraming mga factors. Una yung time element that these horses work in their workout. Second is the weight of the jockey that is being assigned to ride the horse. Third one is the conditions of the track. What type of condition does the track have during that day, no?
Also the distance.
Yeah, there are a lot of possibilities. For July 20, maybe it's easier for you to predict the winner because it's only 1,200 meters distance. The longer the distance, it's the harder for the bettors to choose the winner. So kung shorter in distance, you can predict who will be on the first phase of the race. Then probably you can easily predict what will happen on the second and third phase.
Sir, yung mga bagong imported po na